Okay, we have finished the past tense. The last tense which is left is about the future tense. In this future tense, we are going to see only future, that is affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence, and future perfect tense. Future continuous tense is not there. Okay. Same as it is, just you compare this future tense with the present tense. Little bit change is there. There in the past tense, in the present tense or in the past tense, the helping verbs has been changed. Past tense we have used was and were. यहाँ पे was and were की जगह में will और shall आया. तो हो गए. So same definitions are going to be preferred here. Same definitions are going to be followed. That is of the present tense and the past tense. If you understood it completely about the present tense and past tense, then no need to study about the future tense. Only there is a change of helping verbs, that is will and shall is to be used here. Okay. Object, plus active subject plus will shall plus main verb 1, then object. Main verb 1 रहने दो, main verb 2 रहने दो. Again and again I am repeating you. Our that is ID card is main verb 3 only. Passive voice में main verb 3 रहता. So object plus will change to be will be, shall changes to shall be. एक याद में रखना, will क्या change हो रहा, will be change हो रहा. हमारे past tense में was and were ही रहते थे, but in the future tense will changes to will be, shall changes to shall be. Will be or shall be plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject, ये तो कॉमन है. प्रेजेंट टेंस में भी कॉमन है, पास्ट टेंस में भी कॉमन है और फ्यूचर टेंस में भी सेम है. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, ओनली नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में क्या ऐड हो रहा है, मे बी प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस. नॉट, इतना विचार करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. नेगेटिव बोले तो नॉट एक ही वर्ड ऐड हो रहा है. ओके, डायरेक्टली आई हैव मेड यू पैसिव वॉइस, that is object plus will shall plus not plus be. will be होने के बाद be3 लगाते थे, बट यहाँ पे will और shall के बाद not लगा के be लगा. Don't confuse. not के बाद be आना. After discussing the example, you will come to know that. Then interrogative. Interrogative, it may be is, or was, were और will और shall. हेल्पिंग वर्ब से ही हमारा इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस स्टार्ट हो रहा है. कहाँ, पैसिव वॉइस में. ओके, will shall प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. तो will shall हमारे हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद तुरंत ही क्या आया, प्रेजेंट टेंस में भी, पास्ट टेंस में भी और फ्यूचर टेंस में भी ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस be प्लस मेन वर्ब 3 प्लस by प्लस सब्जेक्ट. वो तो कॉमन है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द future tense? Nothing changes there. हम past tense के कैसा देखे थे वैसा ही है, present tense के कैसा देखे थे वैसा ही है. Only the changes is of the helping verbs. वहाँ पे is and are यूज करे थे, यहाँ पे was were यूज करे और यहाँ पे will and shall. कुछ तो चेंज है. इसके साथ साथ active voice passive voice के साथ साथ you are going to learn the tenses also. Is it clear? आप tenses passive voices के साथ क्या सीख रहे हैं अभी, tenses भी सीख रहे. Actually we have finished the tense, but अभी क्या है, voices के साथ हमारा tense भी revise हो रहा है. So is and are is used in the present tense, was were is used in the past tense, will and shall is used in the future tense. Is it clear? Okay. Let us solve these examples. If you clear the point means if you clear the concept. First, what I told you, the concept must be clear in the grammar. So try to solve this. He will teach you English. यहाँ पे सर्च करना, हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, इंग्लिश है. सब्जेक्ट क्या है, ही है. will क्या चेंज हो रहा, will भी चेंज हो रहा. teach क्या चेंज हो रहा, V3 फॉर्म taught हो रहा. by तो सेम रहता. English will be taught by, he changes to him. English will be taught by him. Shall we write? ओके इंग्लिश विल बी। मैडम बी कहां से आ गया यहाँ पे? आई टोल्ड यू वहां पे इज अ मान नो चेंज देयर, was verb no change, but will changes to will be, shall changes to shall be in the future tense. Keep in your mind will be, English will be taught by he, हमारे pronoun he क्या change होता? him. Very good. Try next one. Will you take the class? First tell me which sentence it is. Yes, it is interrogative sentence. Okay, start. Will you take the class? Interrogative sentence start with helping verbs, that is will or shall. Will, class is our object. V3, change this one and write will the class, will interrogative, just see the definition, will और shall के बाद object, object क्या है? हमारा class है, उसके बाद have been, will the class have been, take, what is the verb form? Taken, by, will you take the class? Will the class taken by you, because you in the pronoun there is no change of you. Will the class have been taken by you, because this is interrogative sentence. Will the class have been taken by you? Okay, next go for one more example is given for you. Rani will give you an opportunity. Rani will give you an opportunity. Okay, try it. This is homework for you. Try this one and justify yourself that whether it is right or wrong. Try करने के बाद देख लेना कि वो सही है या गलत है. Okay, this is about the future tense. Next, there is no past voices of the future continuous tense. वहाँ पे future continuous perfect के present perfect continuous के भी नहीं थे, past perfect continuous के भी नहीं थे, but यहाँ पे future continuous का भी examples. There is no examples, there is no voice of the future continuous tense. Okay, directly we will go for the future perfect tense. First in the present tense, just let me remind you, perfect means which helping verb we have used. You have used the past tense में had use करेंगे और present tense में has and have. Right. Has and have is used in the present tense, had is used in the past tense. अब यहाँ पे क्या use कर रहे हैं? Will, have, been. Sorry. This example of the future perfect tense का देखिए. So follow this one. Interrogative object plus will, shall plus object plus be plus main verb. Will के बाद so will is used. Will और shall के बाद object तो हमारा class है. Will the class. After that be taught by. Will the class be taught by? Will you take the class? Taught by you. Okay. नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर परफेक्ट के बारे में देख लेते हैं हम. सो विल, शैल प्लस हैव प्लस मेन वर्ब 3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. इसका थोड़ा रिमाइंड करो पास्ट टेंस का और प्रेजेंट टेंस का. सब्जेक्ट प्लस पास्ट में हैव एंड हैज, सॉरी प्रेजेंट में हैव एंड हैज प्लस मेन वर्ब 1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. तो वहां डिस्कस करेंगे. प्रेजेंट सॉरी पास्ट में सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस मेन वर्ब 3 ही यूज करें and main verb 3 plus object. So what change is there in the future perfect? Subject plus will or shall plus addition क्या है यहाँ पे have. Will have, shall have. We have discussed when we are studying the tenses. Will have. Will passive wise में क्या change हो रही है? Will have been, shall have been. Will have, shall have been change होता. Shall have been change होता. Let us see. Object plus will or shall have been. Is it right? Will have been. Will changes to will have been. Shall changes to shall have been. Plus ये तो हमारा आईडी कार्ड ही है, चेंज नहीं कर सकते इसको. मेन वर्ब 3 प्लस by प्लस सब्जेक्ट. ओके. नेगेटिव nothing is there, only not is used there. Directly I have written here object passive voice because by after studying present tense, past tense, now we have become perfect. I hope that you have become perfect, not me. Negative object plus will have plus not, only one word is going to be added there, not, plus have been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. Okay. Interrogative में will have or shall is used first, उसके बाद तो present में और past में यूज करें. helping verb plus object plus have been plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. Okay. This is of the future perfect tense. Last tense we are discussing here, that is of future perfect tense. Okay. By solving these two examples, we will come to know. We shall not have accepted the offer. We shall not have accepted the offer. Not means घंटी कौन सा बजना, कौन सा सेंटेंस है ये? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके. Which is our object? The offer is our object. Try this one. Try. मेरे से फर्स्ट ट्राई करो. The offer. उसके बाद क्या आता? ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद. ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद will or shall. The offer. will के बाद ओके नेगेटिव. will और shall के बाद not. The offer will not have been. मैडम have been कहाँ से है मुझे मत पूछो. have been because this is the formula of the future perfect tense. Shall changes to shall have been. Will changes to will have been. Okay. In the offer will not have been. उसके बाद have been main verb 3. main verb 3 कौन सा है? accepted is already. verb 3 नहीं है. will not have been accepted. तो हमारे फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से by, उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट कौन है यहाँ पे? we is the subject. we का क्या चेंज होता है? just remind. we the pronoun we changes to us. okay, right? याद आया? we changes to us. The offer will not have been accepted by us. okay, right? Next, one more example. She will have finished her work. Next example. She will have finished her work. Just to try. She will have finished her work. Try it. Okay, shall we do? She will have finished her work. Which is our object here? Work. 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 After that, will. Work will have been. Work will have been finished. work will have been finished. You see the structure. Work will have been finished by she is there. She changes to she, pronoun she changes to her. Work will have been finished by her. Okay, this is the last tense, that is about the future perfect tense. You should keep in your mind that will changes to will have been, shall changes to shall have been. This is the only change in the that is future perfect tense. I hope you have understood. Okay, we have finished all the tenses, that is present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay, some of the examples will come rather than these tenses. ये तीनों टेंस छोड़ के भी थोड़े बहुत ऐसा एग्जाम्पल्स है of the for example imperative sentence, command or request, and the some of the sentences which starts with the modal verbs. Do you know the modal verbs? Can, could, may, might, must. All these are modals. So if the sentence comes with the modal verb or if the sentence is of the order request, then how you are going to change those sentences? ठीक है, हम तो इन तीनों टेंस में भी पढ़े, बहुत ही डिटेल पढ़े. तो ये तीनों टेंस छोड़ के भी some of the rules are there in the active voice to convert that into the passive voice. For example, see this example, throw the ball. इसको passive voice में change करने का है. Throw the ball. How you are going to change? मैडम इसमें कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, ऑब्जेक्ट एक ही दिखाई दे रहा. बॉल एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, द बॉल इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. तो थ्रो एक ही वर्ड है, यहाँ पे कुछ सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ब नहीं है. हाँ, वर्ब है थ्रो. तो how it can be changed into passive voice? तुमको पता भी नहीं है ये. थ्रो द बॉल देखने के बाद तो पता भी नहीं चल रहा कि ये कौन सा टेंस है. So like these sentences, some of the sentences are there. For example, learn the poem. Don't touch it. Open the window. Respect the elders. ये सबको कैसे change करते तुम? Have you have any idea how these sentences can be changed as a passive voice? So okay. The sentences of our topic is passive voice of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence हम किसको कहते हैं? Command sentence और request sentence. या request sentence को बोलते हैं imperative sentence बोलके, या command sentence को बोलते हैं. हो गया. वो sentences कैसा change करना? Tense तो पढ़े हम तीनों tense बहुत ही perfect से पढ़े, detail में पढ़े. But rather than the tense, in most of the examples they asked of the modal verbs and some of these imperative sentence examples they have asked. तो ऐसा पूछे तो भी वहाँ पे एग्जाम में जाने के बाद घबरा नहीं जाना कि ये कौन सा सेंटेंसेस है, इसको कैसा चेंज करना. The sentences of imperative, that is command or request. Okay. Order के सेंटेंस को क्या चेंज करना? First let to be added. Order or request sentence, request sentence और it may be order sentence. First वहाँ पे let लगाना. Let के बाद object, object के बाद be, be के बाद तो sentence में verb और object को रहता है. There is no need of subject. Subject नहीं है तो भी object रहता, verb रहता. Without object or verb the sentence cannot be formed. तो be and main verb 3. This you should be remember. If the sentences are order or request, हमारे imperative sentence है तो वहाँ पे क्या करना? First you have to try the sentence with the let. Throw the ball. यहाँ पे हमारे object कौन सा है? The ball is the object and throw is our verb. So now write with this formula. Let के बाद object, let the ball is the object, let the ball be, because B is our formula. Be careful, listen it carefully. Let the ball be throw changes to throw क्या चेंज हो रहा है यहाँ पे? थ्रो क्या चेंज हो रहा? थ्रो. इज इट क्लियर? याद कौन सा रखना? लेट प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस बी प्लस लास्ट में मेन वर्ब 3. यहाँ कौन सा भी हमारा बाई नहीं लगाना और सब्जेक्ट भी नहीं रहता. बहुत ही आसान है. इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस में देयर इज नो सब्जेक्ट एंड देयर इज नो फॉर्मूला ऑफ एडिंग बाई तो कंपलसरी नहीं है. लेट द बॉल बी थ्रोन. एडवाइजेस के सेंटेंस रहता. एडवाइस टीचर बहुत सारे एडवाइस देते क्लास में. ऐसा करो, ऐसा पढ़ो, स्ट्रेट बैठो, घर में जाने के बाद पढ़ो. तो ये पूरे क्या है? एडवाइस है. वैसा तो लाइक दो सेंटेंसेस हाउ वी हैव टू चेंज. फर्स्ट, you are advised to or ordered to or asked to. उसके बाद मेन वर्ब 1. अब तक तो हमारे पास आईडी कार्ड था. क्या था वो? वर्ब हमारे सॉरी वॉइस हमारी पैसिव है V3. बट यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब 1 उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट. माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस. माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस. एक दिए एग्जांपल ऐसा. माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस. इसको क्या करो? पैसिव में चेंज करो. तो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज? माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस. I am ordering you or I am advising you. Don't interfere in others. Mind your own business. तुम्हारे काम क्या है वही करो. तो एडवाइस देते टीचर क्लास में. वैसे सेंटेंस को कैसे चेंज करें? So you are advised to. पहला क्या लगा रहे हम? You are advised to. उसके बाद मेन वर्ब 1. मेन वर्ब 1 कौन सा है यहाँ पे? Mind your own business. You are advised to. अब तक तो मेन वर्ब 3 के बारे में ही डिस्कस करें हम पैसिव वॉइस में. बट यहाँ पे we are adding here main verb 1. Okay. You are requested or you are advised. Our formula is you are advised to or you are ordered to or you are asked to. थोड़ा ये फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से ट्राई करो. I will tell it you in the last. So then come some of the examples are there of the order. Learn the poem. क्लास में ऑर्डर दे रहे टीचर. All of you learn the poem. तो इसको कैसा चेंज कर रहे हैं? What is our formula? First that is let. उसके बाद object. ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है हमारे यहाँ पे? पोयम है. बी इज द फॉर्मूला हियर. वर्ब 3 क्या है हमारे? लर्न है. लर्न इज गोइंग टू बी चेंज्ड एज V3. ओके, लेट अस ट्राई. लेट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द सेंटेंस विद द लेट बिकॉज़ मैडम अब तक तो टेंसेस के हिसाब से बताए और ये दूसरा ही बता रहे. Yes, this is of the sentences of imperative and imperative sentence, that is order or request. ऐसा भी 90% तो ऐसा नहीं पूछते. अगर पूछे तो भी you are eligible to answer. Okay, let the poem. ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सा है यहाँ पे? Let the poem. उसके बाद be है हमारे फॉर्मूला में. Let the poem be. Learn changes to learned because V3 is learned. Let the poem be learned. Okay. Don't touch it. Next example is don't touch it. How you are going to try? Then open the window. Don't touch it. Object is touch. Okay. Let it. Don't is a negative sentence. Let it not be. Let it not. That is be. Main verb 3. Touch. Let it not be touched. Open the window. Object क्या है यहाँ पे? The window है. Let object. Let the window. उसके बाद be. Open. Let the window be open. Okay, very nice. Try yourself. Respect the elders. Respect the elders. The elders is the object here. Let the elders. Object that is elders. Be respected. Let the elders be respected. Okay, all these are the order sentences. If the order sentences are there, our formula is that is let plus object plus be plus main verb 3. Main verb 3 से ही हमारे sentence यहाँ पे end हो रहा है. There is no bind, there is no subject here. Okay. Some of the sentence start with the model. Is it clear? I hope this is clear for you. ऐसे sentence है तो फट बोल के समझ में आता. ना subject है यहाँ पे, ना कुछ भी नहीं है. So learn the poem. Only small sentences are there. Don't touch it. Okay. If these type of sentences are asked means you should be the formula should be let plus object plus be plus main verb 3. Okay. Some of the sentences are of the models. There is a chance of coming these type of examples. कभी कभी देते models the sentence which starts with the model. यहाँ पे देखेंगे I have written all the in the passive voice only. Affirmative sentence में first object रहता, उसके बाद model verb रहता. Model verbs are can, could, may, might, shall, should. All these are models. उसके बाद be रहता, उसके बाद last में main verb 3. And negative sentence में that is object first, model verb, then not is added, be and main verb 3. Interrogative sentence में first हमारा helping verbs रहता है. यहाँ पे helping verbs के बदले में क्या है? Model verbs, because we are discussing of the model verbs. First model verb रहता, उसके बाद object रहता, उसके बाद be रहता, उसके बाद main verb 3. Don't confuse. Nothing is there. Model verb. अगर हमको model verb से examples आए तो एग्जाम में कैसे सॉल्व करना? We should be ready now. First interrogative में model verb, उसके बाद object, उसके बाद be. तो ये तो हमारा साथ ही रहता. That is main verb 3. Let us solve some of the 2 to 3 examples. I can answer the questions. I can answer the questions. Here can is model. Will you agree? Yes, I can answer the questions. So how it should be changed? First इसके हिसाब से first object आता, उसके बाद that is not a negative sentence. Just see that is affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence में first object आता, उसके बाद model verb आता, उसके बाद be, उसके बाद main verb 3 आता. Okay, let us change according to our these rules. First object is the questions. The question is our object. The questions. After this model verb, हमारे model verb कौन सा है यहाँ पे? Questions. Can के बाद be, can be. Answer what it is going to be changed? Answer. The questions can be answered. Is it right? Any difficulty in this? No, it is also very easy. That starts with the modal verb. Next, you have to wash the car. You have to wash the car. मैडम यहाँ कौन सा भी modal verb भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहे. No, have to is a modal verb. Ought to, have to is also modal verbs. Okay. You have to wash the car. How you are going to change? The car is the object. हमारे object कौन सा है यहाँ पे? The car. So the car. Okay. You have to wash the car. The car is our object. The car. After the car, object. Next modal verb. That is the car. Have to. After that, be is our formula. Be. You have to wash. Wash V3. The car have to be washed. Next, he must fill the form. Must is our modal verb, you all know. He must fill the form. Our object is, the form is our object. Must object plus modal verb plus be, the form must be filled. The form must be filled. Next, put Jayalalitha lock the door. Okay. Put Jayalalitha lock the door. That is our interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means first modal verb. Modal verb we have to start with the modal verb. Put. After that, after the modal verb, be careful. After the modal verb, there is an object. Object is our the door. Put the door. After that, modal verb object plus be. Put the door be locked. Okay, here they have given the subject, that is Jayalalitha. Name is given. You can write locked by Jayalalitha. Because here they have given the subject. In these all these examples there is no subject here. If the subject, don't confuse that, if the subject is given means you have to write by plus, that is our subject. Okay, we have seen that is all the tenses. In the active passive voice, that is present tense, past tense, future tense. Some of the little bit differences is there from present tense to past tense and past tense to future tense. How to change the active voice into passive voice, we have seen according to the tenses. Last one is this, these are the general. This information we should know. Most of these type of examples are given in the competitive examination. So if they have given in the exam also, you should be ready to write. I hope that you have understood all the topic, that is the active voice and passive voice. So here we shall put a short end to this active voices. So in the next class we will discuss next lessons. Thank you.